Please subscribe and ring the bell to never miss an update. Hi everyone, it's a garage sale weekend. Today is Friday. I like to get a head start on the weekend. I have a friend joining me from across town and she should be here shortly. It's a neighborhood garage sale and there are different areas of the neighborhood across major streets, so we'll just scout it out and see what deals await. And I also have some tips for you with packing boxes. That came in handy the last time when I bought the milk glass punch bowl set. I like to have a little bit of wrap. I also have unimprinted newspaper rolls in my back seat. So in case we find something breakable and the seller doesn't have adequate packaging, we've got it covered. Okay, our first garage sale stop. I am so glad that my friend Meredith is with me. And it looks like mostly kid items and a few pretties. Okay, we went to one garage sale. There wasn't very much, was there, Meredith?
No.
No, just
but it was fun to go
toys.
talk to people too.
Yeah, that's right. So we're gonna go to our second garage sale. Let's see what they've got. I see furniture, lots of cars, which is a great sign.
Yep.
All right, definitely don't need furniture today. Let's see what else they have. Oh, that's an interesting 8-pointer. That's nice. Save that for Valentine's or an anniversary. Lace, love it. That looks like it's machine made, and look, it's from England, from the Ely Cathedral, United Kingdom. Oh, the iris pitcher from the Jeanette Glass Company. That is a find. Grand prize right there from the 1930s. Wow.
We went to this garage sale. Mary Beth came across this beautiful piece of lace from England. She noticed it was machine made and asked the price, and the guy responded $5. And she immediately put it down way too much for just this machine piece of lace. She walked away looking at other items. I looked at the guy and said, "What about $1?" He said, "Sure."
Yeah, and I was really glad about that. As I got my wallet out, I noticed this beautiful iris pitcher from the Jeanette Glass Company from the 1930s, and it was only $3. I couldn't believe it. I missed it on the first pass. So I'm glad that we lingered, and thanks for negotiating that deal for me too, Meredith.
Definitely, definitely.
Hey, let's go see what the next place has for us. We got a tip from a nearby garage sale that there's an estate sale just a few streets over. So here we are, just one very small sign. I'm glad that we had that tip because if I didn't know the street name, I wouldn't have found it because there was no notice of it. So how about that? You get a bonus estate sale. Let's pop in and see what we can find.
Yeah, looks good.
The estate sale is outside in the driveway and in the garage. Let's see what all they have for us today. I'm liking the price here, 25 cents each or 5 for $1. You know we're gonna find 5 things. I like the blue and white set, very nice. And I see lots of possibilities with that. Looks like a toothbrush holder. That's Fostoria, the American pattern. Perfect for syrup or of course for creamer, for tea. It's a good find. Lots of punch cups. These bowls would be great, filled with candy, present that as a gift. The punch cups look like they belong with a snack set. See the square base? Pretty handle. And the silver overlay goblet, that's a really neat piece. I'm definitely gonna pick that up. I can see that in the middle of a platter with maybe a dip, or you could fill it with candies or maybe some breadsticks that are not too tall. Lots of possibilities. And this looks like Wedgwood, but guess what? It's not. It's a knockoff. There's no mark on it. And there is an entire snack set ready to go. I like that. It's probably from the 60s. Those were very popular. Could be from Indiana Glass, but I think I'll pass. That's a pretty platter with the fruit in the middle. All this is so inexpensive, but I'm only getting the things that I can either regift or enjoy. That's a great deal on the LD Glass Company. The Daisy and Button Punch Bowl set. It doesn't have the base and the punch cups don't match. It's still a great deal, but I already have a couple of punch bowls. Let's see what's behind our little man here. I thought that might be from Portugal. Those could be vases or toothbrush holders. Let's see if there's a mark on him. No, he's still pretty handsome though. And this mantle has come from an estate. The lady that they had the estate sale for, it was their mother, had an antique shop. And look at the copper pieces, $1 each. Love the pineapple. Oh yes, for the collector. A bed warmer. I don't need any of these copper items, but they are interesting. And a great price. And those plates could be cleaned up and used in decor. This I'm getting, that is an ornament holder. I could also see maybe some small framed photographs placed on those with their family tree and other possibilities for $5. Let's see what's in the curio cabinet. Looks like some old houses. Wonder if these are all representing the District of Columbia. They look kind of DC-ish, don't they? Those are neat. Looks like a really old home. And I didn't ask about the price. I think they're probably willing to negotiate. These, they told me, are candle rings to prevent the wax from dripping. I don't know if I buy that. I'm not really sure, but I'm taking all of them and we'll figure it out. That's a good little bowl to put a sauce in. Could even float a flower in it. Oh, Meredith is so excited. She's found a steamer. Okay, that'll keep her busy. Okay, I'm loving this snack set. Oh, and Meredith has found a deviled egg tray. These are lovely. That looks really old. Porcelain with the violets, delicate teacups from Japan. This looks really old. I would say it might be from the 50s. They're only asking $10 for a set of 10 cups and 10 plates. I am definitely taking these home. Oh look, Schloss Neuschwanstein in Germany, 50 cents. Oh yes, that's going home with me. And I like these smoky glasses. They're so clean and crisp. I don't really have a spot for them or a need, but it's so tempting. And Meredith keeps going back to that deviled egg tray. I love the color, I just don't do deviled eggs. And now we're on to the next sale. Stuffed animals. Let's see what else they might have for us. Ornament trees seem to be really popular. It's a really good opportunity to buy Christmas decor, and you have to really dig through, okay, I'm getting these snowmen for $1 for a mini tree. Wouldn't that be fun? And look, there's a Santa tea set. That's very clever. It almost looks a little Fitz and Floyd, but I don't need it, so I think I'll pass on it. Okay, this is exciting. Port Marion, that's out from Pimpernel, the square coasters. I started this pattern for my daughter. Look, it's from Harrods in London. Oh my, I paid $1 for this. That is incredible. I am super excited to find a Harrods item. I didn't even have to fly to London. What an amazing find. And then a bunch of stuff I don't need. Okay, this I'm getting for $1. 4 Pottery Barn napkins. That's great for my breakfast table. Could put just a very plain gold napkin for the holidays. That's really neat too. You really find great prices on Christmas items. Okay, this I have a need for. I'm decorating a tree, and I'll show you that in a future segment. For $2, oh, most definitely taking that home. That's from Poland, and it's hand-blown glass. These are neat too. They look like old-fashioned ornaments, but they're actually little votive holders. How fun, for $1. Okay, this looks like some fine stuff. Look at the antiques. Love the mirror. Those are hard to find, but $200, that's a lot more than I intended to spend at a garage sale. Look at that. Furnishings, that's Louis XV. Bedside table, a pair of them. Those have to be at least 100 years old. This is actually more of an estate sale, they told us, with a little bit of garage sale mixed in. And they have great things. There's some more of the Fostoria American pattern. Excellent price. Those are really great finds. This I'm so in love with, the Lenox, the classic ivory with the gold band. Their prices are a little bit high. And I've noticed that what they've done is they've gone to Etsy to get a price comparison. The koi candle holders, oh, these are fabulous. $40. Portmeirion, oh, that's neat. But $10, I really don't want to spend that at a garage sale. The Fenton Hobnail milk glass pitcher, love it. Again, $38, I don't really want to spend that at a garage sale. I don't have the estate sale frame of mind today. I'm looking for deals. Oh, I'm loving the gold on this, the Dooney and Burke, $30. That's a bit high for a garage sale. Oh, and there's an ink mark. I think I'll pass. It would have to be $10 for me to get that. I'm not even going to negotiate. It's fine. I have enough handbags. Oh, look at the kitty. Looks like a Russian blue. I'm feeling good about this one. Halloween. Oh, look, free. I'm liking this. Okay, these plates look interesting. Let's see what's on the back. President Taft Museum. Okay, these are lovely. You could hang them together, or you could put them in one bookshelf on an easel and create a story with that. I like that the colors lend themselves to many different looks, and they're from Wedgwood. Oh, I'm really liking this brass leaf for $1. Poinsettia, but you know, that's great for fall. Definitely taking that home. Mikasa, okay, and it's boxed. Okay, I'm not liking that they wrote on the box $3. But what I'll do is put a sticker over it. It's in perfect condition, new in a box, and I can re-gift that, and it looks like more than $3. Yeah, that's not cool. Oh, that's an interesting old globe. Meredith is excited about that. I think her son collects these. Let's take a look. It's probably outdated. Oh yes, the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Yes, that's old. Oh, there's some of that Polish pottery. I see that occasionally now at garage sales. Oh, that's great for the summer. Keep the bugs out. I'm liking the Polish pottery. $2. Okay, that's a steal. You could bake something in that. For 75 cents, these are from Germany. Oh, look at that. Okay, yes, I'm gonna take both of these. I think the price is great. This is a nice garage sale. And this lady obviously travels a lot. You can tell by the items. Look at the cookie tins from Spain and England and France. And her jewelry items look interesting too. And this is from Spain. It's a bottle opener. Juan Carlos, the king. $1. Oh yes, that will be an interesting thing on my table. And this is a nice bracelet from Spain. Oh yes, 24 karat plate. Okay, more stuffed animals. I think I'll pass. That's an interesting piece. Maybe silver plate. Okay, I love the snow globe. You can insert a photo in that. That's neat. Looks like it's from Costco. It's the Kirkland brand, and it's $5, new in a box. Okay, don't need furniture. Let's see what else they've got here. Okay, I found something that's speaking to me. Willkommen. It's a welcome sign in German. How appropriate for our German-American household. And it's from Germany, and I didn't have to bring it back in my suitcase. All right, some artwork, lots of music. CDs seem to be a thing of the past almost. Let's see what else they have. Oh, there's Princess Diana, new in a box. You know that's expensive on eBay. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, that would be nice to put on a Christmas tree. Peace and joy. I think I will spread the love and let someone else get that one, but I'll get these two. And ribbon for $1, unopened. The black and white, that'd be good for Halloween or even Christmas. Some red. Uh-oh, what have they done with Snoopy? That looks a little odd. Okay, let's see what else they might have here. Some Christmas items. Look at that, lots of wreaths. This was a multi-family garage sale. The whole street got together, very well organized. I like the wreaths. See how much they are. Oh, that's a good deal. Okay, this looks like India Handicrafts. For $3 with the enamel, I could definitely use that. And this is from Scotland. It's Balmoral, and as you probably know, that's where the Queen spends her summers. Okay, I'm happy to have this for $1. This looks very scary from the 60s or 70s. Let's see what it's all about. Candle looks in good shape. It is a porcelain piece from Dresden. Look at that. That looks old. I should have bought this, but I didn't need it, so I'll let someone else have it. Meredith has found a mug. Next year's her big birthday. She's taking that home today. That's a nice set. The owner came over and tried to encourage me to buy it, but I really have a lot of china. It's a good price. Those are in good shape. I think that's a Target brand. Lots of baking items. Williams-Sonoma rolling pin. Good price for pastry. Pampered Chef. These bakers are really expensive. I think they're probably at least $50, and she's never used these. It's been so much fun garage sailing today with my friend Meredith, and let me show you a couple of my favorite finds. This snack set that has violets with a gold rim is from Japan. I could have guests over for tea, and it's kind of an all-in-one. And even if you were trying to balance it on your lap, it really does work well if there's a shower or something where you're seated opening gifts and still enjoying your refreshments. And this tree, sort of a tree, for Christmas ornaments, you could actually do a lot with it. It doesn't just have to be for the holidays. That could be a centerpiece. You could put special notes on it, and really got a lot of great finds. And I think Meredith had a good time today too.
Well, I actually came just to kind of tag along, and because I see how much fun Mary Beth has, and I ended up with finding some really great finds. One of my favorite things, actually one of my really coolest things, is this globe, $1. And the reason why it's so cool for me is because my mother had one that my son Tyler enjoyed, and I found this for only $1. And I immediately texted him, and he was thrilled. Another garage sale we went to, just on the street, she mentioned these, and I said, those are kind of really pretty. I like the building. She goes, it's free. And I'm like, awesome. Total, I'm gonna take it. It reminds me of the cigar boxes my grandfather used to give us to fill with candy at his gas station before we went home to Houston. And look how clean it is, and it's from Spain. And my sister-in-law, she studied in Spain and taught in Spain, and they also had this bracelet that's also from Spain. And I thought, I can actually buy this for my sister for Christmas. And then we went to another garage sale, and they had bracelet gift boxes for free. So free bracelet, Christmas.
That's great. Oh, so many neat finds today. And this is my favorite. This is the iris pitcher made by the Jeannette Glass Company from the 1930s, and it's about $60. We looked it up, didn't we?
Yes,
as we were driving to another sale, and $3, that was a find. And what's your favorite thing you got today, Meredith?
Well, I loved I don't know if you saw those purple little cup and little things. I thought they were gorgeous, but I ain't gonna lie. One of my really coolest things I came out with, she was looking at those really fancy things. I got a steamer. I love my steamer. So I had so much fun.
For $5. All right, thanks for joining us today. And I appreciate you following along as we look for deals on this beautiful day. And don't forget to elevate your everyday with garage sale finds.